You hear terms like drop shipping all the time, but what does that actually mean? Basically, when you sell products online, but you don't have to keep the inventory yourself. When someone places an order, a supplier ships the product directly to the customer. It's one of the reasons so many people are interested in starting online stores like myself. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get our drop shipping on. Personally, my favorite place to do dropshipping is Doba. I've actually covered Doba on this channel before, and I personally dropship with it myself. But today I want to show you something new they recently released called Doba Pilot, because it's designed to make the whole process easier and help people start generating dropshipping sales faster. The way I like to think about it is that Doba Pilot works more like an assistant that just happens to be AI. And what makes it different is that it's not just giving you suggestions. It actually helps you get things done. Instead of digging through a bunch of menus and tools, you can simply tell it what you want, and like finding products or setting up listings, and it helps speed up the process so you spend less time doing manual work and more time actually building your store. You can even give it one command and it'll handle multiple steps for you, which makes the whole process feel a lot less overwhelming. So let me actually show you how this works, because once you see it in action, it makes a lot more sense. Okay, so now I'm on Doba. I'm on the Doba website. Look at all the products for the spring. Okay, let's do it. I'm going over to the Doba Pilot, okay? We're going to check this out. Autopilot dropshipper with AI. Start by asking. They have two different agents, Shopify agent and BigCommerce. I want to make a store with BigCommerce, okay? Now we're going to use the BigCommerce agent, and I am going to give Doba Pilot some information. Can you find me a spray product to help people sleep and spray on pillows and sheets? Because, let me tell you something. In America, nobody's sleeping, all right? 14% of U.S. Americans are not sleeping. That's like 1 in 7 Americans. That's about 30 million Americans are having a problem going to sleep. So I need to sell a spray. And check this out. The agency is helping me. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. They said they're going to find me products. Look at this. All right, they found me some products. Lavender. You ever heard about lavender? What it can do for you to help you sleep? You spray it all over your pillows. But look at this. Amazon is selling it for $18.74. 18, and they're talking about that's his lowest price, $18.74. And here it is, a double for $14.99. I'm about to sell it for 18 flat. You see what I'm saying? Make that profit. Okay, let's see what else. I'm gonna highlight that. All right, select that. Dr. Teal's sleep spray. That's another good one, by the way. $14.80 on eBay. $14.80. So now I would just sell it for $14. $14 on eBay. Straight up sleep spray, essential oils, but Doba has it for $6.85. You see the markup? Okay, here we go. Doba has this one for $9.79. All natural, recharge the pillows, linen sprays, aromatherapy. Okay, Amazon is selling it for $15.49. And you see all the different ones: lavender, spearmint, grapefruit. Let me tell you, eucalyptus. Doba has all those scents as well. Okay, so you can sell all those different scents. Look at this one. Oh, Doba has rose, all natural rose. Actually, Doba has more scents. Okay, so now you see how much they sell them, like $14, $15, and here they are for $9.79. So you mark them up. You mark them up because Doba has this. Okay, Doba is ready. Now, the agent, Doba Pilot agent, is doing everything for you. Understand your needs, and you're going to select now the 7 that I have 7 selected. I'm going to have it in my store. Okay, I'm going to put it in my store. If you have a store, you collect it. I'm going to create a store, BigCommerce store. I'm so excited. I'm about to have a BigCommerce store. All the information I need to do is so simple. It's right there. I fill it out. Create your online store, your first name, your last name, email, password, store. If you have a name for your store, okay, put the name of your store. What size is your online business? What part? Where you gonna be hosting at? I put North America, okay? North America. All right, so you put all the how much revenue. I don't really have no revenue. This is brand new. I'm excited. I'm about to sell products for nighttime. I'm gonna probably sell the mask from Doba, the sleep mask so you can sleep. Boom. Look at this. Welcome to the big commerce. And now I fill out my information, okay? It is so simple and it's all connected. Under $1 million is my revenue. How many people? Just me. Where is your online business today? I'm going to be selling it. First of all, we're going to use this product on different platforms to sell it, right? I'm going to be doing it with Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I'm gonna be promoting it everywhere. We're gonna put those ads everywhere. You understand me? Do you sell to any other? No, I'm selling just as just health. They give you all the different categories, and this is health and beauty. Okay, you're gonna get your little beauty sleep, and it's about health. Okay, do you sell any of these items anywhere else? No, I don't sell any. I don't sell no gambling, no crypto, no high risk finance. No, none of that. And guess what? I'm drop shipping. That's my fulfillment. I'm drop shipping with Doba Pilot. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So we're going to do that. Okay. So I'm on the big commerce store. I'm picking out a theme for the marketplace. You can try this, by the way, for free. 15 days. Check this out. I'm telling you, I want to do fortune. They are free. Fortune minimum. Oh my goodness. They're beautiful. Look at all the features. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. This is the name of my store, Night Bloom. All right, let's check this out. I picked out a theme. I got to go to the app marketplace now. To the left, you see on the left-hand side? I'm clicking on app marketplace. I got to search for Doba. I'm checking out Doba. There's Doba right there. I'm going to merge them together. Okay, my big commerce store with Doba. And look at that. The app installation, I'm going to launch it. Once I merge those two together, now my products can go inside Doba. Okay, look at this. Go to Doba. You get a 14-day trial for 99 cents. Come on, come on. You're worth it. All right. So now there's my products, my 7 selected products so far. And now you see my name of my store is Night Bloom. Now these are the prices. You can change the prices. There's the original price. It's already set at 1.2, but I'm going up. Okay. I'm going up. I'm going up to 1.5. All right. So, because I got to make a profit, right? I got to make a profit. Now, once you can change the price, manipulate the pricing. And it says, I'm going to add the shipping fee because somebody got to pay the shipping. I'm going to include it in the fee so it look like free shipping, okay? So now I'm going to use it to optimize my titles and my descriptions. I'm using the pilot, Doba Pilot, to optimize it so I can have the best description and the best title available, right? Because I need to sell my products, all right? Okay, so now we're doing this. And look at this. All my products are going to be in my store. I'm building the store for people who can't sleep and want a nice, relaxing sleep. Look how beautiful it came out. I'm going to get other products from Doba to add to it that has something to do with sleep. All right. Now, this is what the back end looks like. This is what you're going to see, the basic information, the product, the weight, everything. Now, this is what the customer is going to see. Look how beautiful it came out. Eucalyptus mint aromatherapy. Look at my products. Look at the price. I love how they cross out manufacturer price and what price I'm selling it for. And I'm still selling it cheaper than it is on Amazon. Look at that, $14.69. I love that. You save $4.89. And you make sure people leave reviews. Really great reviews, okay? Look, manufacturer price cut. Look at that, $14.69. Look how beautiful it looks. And people could just add it to their cart or add it to their wish list. I love how it came out. I love this. And I have all the information, the description, the highlights, the details. Look at this, all the different scents. I'm telling you, I'm going to be adding other things to it. Look at all the different pictures. It shows the spray, lavender, and it's made in the US. So you don't have to wait like 3-4 weeks for your product to be delivered. I love this. I'm telling you, I could have never found this product so easy without Doba Pilot. I put it in information, boom, it came right through. There's a survey. You check out the survey, unlock 30 extra credits. You fill out that Doba Pilot beta survey, because this is the beta stage right now. It takes about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and you will get an extra 30 credits. You need these credits. You see how easy it was for me to find the product I was looking for? It was like having an assistant. I asked Doba Pilot, look, find me some sprays that'll help people go to sleep. Boom, it found so many for me in less than a minute. You fill out this survey, get these extra 30 credits, and use the Doba Pilot. I'm telling you, it will help you find the top ranking products. It'll help you find exactly what you're looking for. It'll show you everything that has the highest profit. Use that pilot. I'm telling you, it will make a difference in when you're building your store. Look at this. Do that survey, 2-3 minutes, and you get an extra 30 credits. I just want to go over the flexible plans for business of any size, okay? You have the $29 limited, all right? If you want to start off with that, it's cool. You have the basic, you have the standard, and the enterprise. Now, I love Doba because you have the monthly payments, the quarterly, you save 5% off, or the annual, you save 15% off. And what I love so much, you have so many different plans, but with that Doba Pilot, it's going to make a big difference. And I love it. Now, the best choice is the standard. All right. So you can have multiple stores. You have so many different products. And if you really need help with finding the exact product, Doba Pilot will do it for you. I'm telling you, it changed my life of going through the whole over 70,000 products. Come on now. It just went right to it. It just saved me about an hour or two. I love it. If you're ready to start building your own dropshipping store, check out the link in the description down below and take a look at Doba Pilot for yourself. Right now, it's actually a really good time to try it because it's still in the beta phase and the official version is launching in April. I'm so excited. If you sign up for any plan right now, you'll get 200 free AI credits. That's a lot, by the way. And you can also get an extra 30 credits just by filling out a quick survey inside the platform. I showed you how to fill that out. That's only going to take 2 to 3 minutes. So please make sure you fill out that survey. I'm telling you, those extra credits, you're going to be using them. So if you've been thinking about getting into dropshipping, this is a great time to explore it before the full launch. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now, let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Doba Pilot. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.